I'm going to be using the book, Dan Runs Away, from the Piney Pals Decodable book series. If you don't have this book, you can use any decodable book that focuses on Digraph CK. I'm going to be saying some words. I want you to use your ears and I want you to listen very carefully to tell me what sound is the same in each one of these words. I will say the word, you will echo. Are you ready? Okay, then let's get started. Here we go. Back, sock, tuck. What sound did you hear that was the same in each one of those words? You're right. You heard the k sound. Let's get our mirrors and see what our mouth is doing when we make the k sound. Grab your mirror, hold it up to your mouth, and say k. What's happening? Your mouth is open. Your tongue is in the back of your mouth, and when it drops down, it kicks out the sound. Let's make the sound again, but this time, go ahead and put your hand on your throat and see if you can feel a vibration or a buzzing noise. Here we go. K. Did you feel anything? Neither did I. So we know that k is an unvoiced sound, and when we make it, our mouth is open, our tongue's in the back of our mouth, and when it drops down, it kicks out that sound. Great job. Go ahead and put your mirrors away. Now, I need you to use your eyes because I'm going to write some words on the board. And I want you to look very carefully and tell me what two letters you see that are the same in each one of those words. Are you ready? You look closely because I'm going to write. B-A-C-K. S-O-C-K. T-U-C-K. What two letters do you see that are just alike? Oh, you're right. C-K, C-K, C-K. Let's look at this word. Let's count how many letters are in the word. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 letters in this word. Now, let's unblend it and see how many sounds we get. S, A, K. How many sounds? 3. So that means that 2 letters are making 1 sound. What 2 letters do you think are making 1 sound? You're right, C-K. So we know that when 2 letters make 1 sound, we call that a digraph. Today, we will focus our learning on digraph CK. Let's go ahead and read these words. Back, sock, tuck. When you read the book, Dan Runs Away, you will get to see digraph CK. When you see that, you know that it makes the k sound. We know that the k sound is unvoiced, and when we make that, our mouth is open, our tongue is in the back of our mouth, and we kick that sound out. And remember, when 2 letters make 1 sound, we call that a digraph. Thank you so much for joining me, and remember, you've got this.